What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are going on a hike. Here I am with my friend Josh. Josh, say what's up.
What's up, everybody?
Today's topic of discussion is going to be, is Corona over? Is it not over? Now, I have to tell you, this is like the first time I'm getting together with someone in several months. In several months, we figured it's safe to go hiking outside. And Josh, how long did I know you for, Josh?
About 20 years.
About 20 years, it's a very long time. Maybe as we go along the hike, we'll talk about some good old stories from the old time days. We'll have a good time. And you'll take a look at what's going on around here. We're also gonna have one more person joining us, but you'll see him when he catches up with us. Okay, we'll keep you posted.
Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and come back for more.
Oh, he's talking my language.
And come over to my vlog, baby.
Woo-hoo-hoo. I think he's ready for his own. I think he's ready for his own.
Don't speed, it's not worth it, okay? Okay, bye-bye. She could have hiked and been back already.
I don't know what the heck. Woo! Now, I didn't know this guy was that good on the drone, man. Dude, you guys knew that?
What?
These guys didn't know that, man. This guy, I think we're gonna rename you from Josh to Josh the Drone Master. Josh the Drone Master. Woo-hoo. That was some serious stuff, man. Serious. Okay, look who pulled up.
Video.
Say hi.
What's up, Shy? How you doing?
Everyone. Meet your own.
What's going on?
See your own. Please tell everyone, you had a dog, right?
Yeah.
What happened to your dog?
We got hungry when COVID first hit, and we ate it.
You ate your dog?
Don't
Josh,
post that, actually, because I'll definitely get in trouble for that.
that's insane. Yaron, today's topic, where we're going to be discussing, is COVID over or is COVID not over?
COVID is over.
COVID is over. Now, what makes you think that it's over?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Just feel free.
Okay, Josh, on the other side, is COVID over or is it not over?
I don't know what over means. What do you mean by, is it over?
I'm not sure. I think
I'm not supposed to call you out on the video, by the way?
you could call me out. I think we're learning firsthand what many of us are going through. We're all confused. The amount of information, the facts, the misinformation. It's very, very hard to know what's going on exactly. And part of everything is the confusion that's going on. Okay, we ran into a fellow hiker on this hiking path. Now, this vlog is about Corona, whether it's on, it's over, it's going on. Now, please identify yourself and share your opinion.
David Rottenberg is my name. Owner of Evergreen Landscaping.
Evergreen Landscaping, if you're in Muncie,
Look at
check it out. Now that you're back in action, is Corona on? Is it over? What would you say?
I'm not a medical expert.
One negative thing about Corona, one positive thing about Corona.
The negative thing is that somebody could think there is something negative about it.
You hear that? A man of Amuna.
The positive thing is, you know how many people picked up hiking since Corona?
You picked up hiking?
No, I went before, but I see now how full the park is.
That's true, I picked up hiking.
You picked up
I
hiking?
picked up hiking, yeah.
Oh, okay.
You can see my last vlog. It's called Take a Hike.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Okay, well, it's been nice meeting you.
Likewise.
Thank you. Shy Sussman Counseling. You could go check it out.
I will check it out.
Lookouts are important in life, yeah.
What makes them important?
I mean, if we didn't have lookouts, what else would we vlog about? You know what I mean?
Lookouts always make for good vlogging topics. Vlog hack number 1. Peace. Okay, here I am with Yaron. Yaron, how old were we when we met each other?
kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
First grade.
First grade. Wow. It's good to have old friends. Now, Yaron, one thing how COVID may have affected your life.
Positive is I got time to spend time with my daughter.
In many ways, we all struggle in different ways. And what's something that was hard for you throughout this? You don't have to spill your guts.
You have restrictions. People don't like restrictions, and that's basically what it is. You know, if you were told, hey, you could stay home, you could do whatever you want, it's one thing. If you're told that you stay at home but you can't do this, there's a lot of
Very deep message. You're told you could push everything but that red button. Don't push the red button. I can assure you, you're gonna go straight for that red button and try to push it.
later, guys.
It's about COVID. It's about a lack of respect for other people's boundaries.
I want to fill everyone in over here. We're basically having a big conversation about corona shaming, which means there's so many different policies. People have so many different feelings about what's happening with the minyanim. They wear masks, they don't wear masks, they set up rules, they don't follow the rules, and there's lots of strong feelings in all direction. And I think this speaks towards a truth that we've spoken about many times on the vlog before, which is that everyone thinks differently about the world. No two people think the same. And I think we could all agree on corona shaming. We don't need to increase shame, guilt, or embarrass people. Took a bit of a cliff over here. Oy. Whew. Just did that little jump over there. You know, we can't affect the situation around us, but we could choose how we're going to interact with it. And that's kind of where I'm at with all this stuff. This is grueling. This is grueling. This is it? Whew, we made it to the top. Okay. Finally made it to the vista. We finally made it all around. It's great to get out. It's great to speak with some old friends. It's just good.
Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And come back for more.